Every business has an essence. It has a spirit. It has a soul. What is the soul of your practice? Right? Don't look at your entity or your business like a 1 + 1 = 2. It's not a 1 + 1 = 2 entity, because 1 + 1 = 2 is a transactional business, right? But what do we all like? We like relational businesses, right? We like businesses that give us a feeling. We like businesses that we know what they stand for, who the owner is, or who the brand is, who the name is. And many of you may be thinking, gosh, well, Nike doesn't do that, or Adidas doesn't do that. Well, listen, first of all, they do that. Nike hires influencers. Who are these influencers? Maybe a Michael Jordan, a LeBron James, all of the athletes, right? To market and wear their stuff. So they capture those magical feelings from their people. If you noticed this year, when Amazon had their Prime Day this year, they did something that was incredible. Some of you may have seen it. It was online. It was Amazon Prime Day. And what they did was they linked up with top influencers, right? Social media influencers. And what they did was they got these influencers to talk about how the products that they use have been so amazing, and just showcase these products. And they did it. If you logged in on Prime Day, if you logged into the Amazon app, if you just went in and you logged into the Amazon app on Prime Day, you would have seen, some of you saw this, you would have seen the video of this influencer talking about makeup products, or you would have seen them talking about fitness equipment or shoes, or home care products, whatever it is, whatever you are searching on your Amazon, they know, and they would put that to the forefront. And this person was talking about the product. Now, I want you to kind of understand something. How is Amazon I think it's a trillion, is it $1 trillion company right now? It is probably close to that. I think it is, Amazon is worth market cap on Amazon is 1.7 trillion. Okay, you look at Amazon, 1.7 trillion, 1.69 trillion. Why is a $1.7 trillion company using people like you and I to talk about their products when they have all the traffic in the world they want? They have all of the brand appeal that they want. Why are they using people? Because they're digging in on relational business. Okay? If Amazon does it and they're doing it, it's like, whoa, that's the first time I saw this. Maybe they did it last year. Maybe I didn't notice it. But this year I noticed it. I was like, wow, they are using these people to sell these products, and they have all the traffic in the world. They don't need any more traffic. They have every kind of source of marketing and traffic in the world, but they're using these individuals. So this is a heads up, and to encourage you to use emotional triggers that happen in your practice. Okay? Perhaps it's a patient with an assistant, and the assistant sees the case and they're like, man, I'm just so happy for this patient. I remember when they came to our office, she wanted these veneers done. Now she's getting them done. I'm so happy for them. That's a segment. All right. So I can't stress that enough. And I think that if you want to market a service like veneers, implants, full mount reconstruction, figure out the different angles or faces of that solution you can bring to the marketplace. One angle, just one angle, is like, get a beautiful smile. Let us help you with your smile. That's just one angle. Another angle is you feel so much better about yourself when you start to take care of the parts of you you've neglected for so long. Let us help you get there. That's another angle. You all can find another angle off of that. That's the second angle. Third angle is the angle of what happens within your office as you and your team are caretakers in this journey for this patient. How does it make you feel? Not about what you did, but like, you know, when Susie came in, you know, I was excited on one hand because we have done this before, but I was really like anticipating what her results are going to look like in 3 months or 2 months. Even though we've seen great results, I was so excited for her to finish that, you know, I was just so focused on her case. So I'm so happy things went the way they will. So it's you giving your story or your perspective on the case, and maybe your team doing it, maybe your front office. Those are different angles of the same outcome, different angles. You're tapping into different emotions. You're tapping in different emotions.